It's time to make super fluffy, mega buttery mashed potatoes. Now, if you're gluten-free, dairy-free, all the frees, you might be thinking, no way can you make this delicious and free from? Wrong answer. You can absolutely have amazing mashed potatoes. In fact, there's a free recipe on Raise for just that. It's super buttery like what you would find in a restaurant, and that's part of the magic of it all. And they're super fluffy. So in this particular instance, because of who was eating the food, I actually used a 50-50 combo of cow milk's butter and dairy-free butter, but you can use completely dairy-free butter, and any dairy-free butter will work. And the results are amazing. As you can see see the fluffiness as I go through and mash it up. Oh man, if I could eat mashed potatoes, I'd totally eat these, legit. And I don't even like mashed potatoes in my head, but I'd totally eat these. And then I topped it off with that really cool ham steak topping that I made.